Hello my viewers, and thank you for watching. First of all, I want to say a big thank you to everyone that does follow me and has subscribed to my YouTube channel. Whether you're young or old, it's very much appreciated, and I just wanted to say a big thank you. So many of you may be aware that I've been doing various things on my channel. Obviously I haven't reviewed any camera equipment or camera lenses for some time, so I do apologise for that. But obviously I've been busy, as you probably already know, building my pond project and the accompanying waterfall. If you've not seen that already, please check it out, because it's something I spent a lot of time doing, and you may find it informative and interesting if you decide to do your own similar project. Obviously, I've converted my garage, as you know, into a pool playing room, for playing snooker, billiards, pool, that sort of thing. And I've also covered some news articles at various times, and I've also done technology unboxings, reviews. Obviously, there's my photography stuff as well that I do. But the reason I wanted to do this video is say a big thank you to everyone that does like the content I do, and I hope you do continue watching my stuff as well as subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. But I wanted to give my audience the opportunity of telling me what they want to see from me. Because obviously I've sort of not done a lot recently on YouTube in terms of the camera reviews, and the lens reviews. Obviously I'm not a big time YouTuber and I can't afford the mega bucks that these big YouTubers can afford to do, such as reviewing the Canon R5, various L lenses and that sort of thing. But what I wanted to ask my audience is, what would you like to see from me? What sort of reviews would you like to see? Because obviously I've diversified a little bit, doing various things, and sometimes I will do a news article. And if you don't already know, I have an alternative YouTube channel called Alternative Media. I'll put a link in the description box if you want to check that channel out, where I've done a few news articles and projects on various things that is quite newsworthy. But what I wanted to ask in regards to this channel, which is Techologyadvisor1, is there anything you want to see me do more of? Do you want to see me review computer-based equipment? Do you want to see me to review or look into possibly learning how to repair microchips on motherboards and do that sort of thing? Very similar to you might know someone called Lewis Rossman, who has a YouTube channel where he does repairs on Apple computers and sometimes PCs. But I also occasionally do reviews on camera equipment and lenses. But I really wanted to do this video to ask you, what would you like to see me do? Would you like me to cover newsworthy articles on this channel? Would you like me to do more vlogs? Would you like me to spend more time in doing unboxings and genuine reviews? I'm not sponsored by any big companies, but if anyone would like to contribute, and help me out a little bit, I'd appreciate a small donation if you would like to do so. But it's completely up to you. I'm not asking anything from you, but if you wish to, that would be really helpful. I'll put a PayPal link in the description box. But the reason I wanted to do this video was to ask, what would you like to see from me? Would you like me to cover news articles that are newsworthy, such as things that are political in nature? Or would you like me to get away from that? In regards to doing my pond builds and various DIY projects. Would you like to see more of that, or would you like me to focus more on the technology side? This is the reason I decided to do this video, because I want to find out what my audience wants to see in my videos. Do you want to see more lens reviews? Do you want to see more camera reviews? Do you want to see some more unboxings of electronic devices? Is there anything you want me to elaborate? Would you like me to do possibly a photography schooling lesson, and maybe come out with a series of lessons to teach you all about the basics of photography? Please let me know in the comments, and I'll read them with interest, because I want to find out, could this channel be better? Because as you probably know, I've just got over 3,000 subscribers, which isn't a vast amount of people. So I wanted to reach out to everyone that has subscribed to my channel, who enjoys the stuff I do. I know many of you have said you appreciate the honesty and the straightforwardness of my reviews versus other YouTubers that literally like to be sponsored and tell you all about their sponsor, which I find a bit off-putting, and I think a lot of people are starting to get sick and tired of that. You know, at the end of the day, I don't see why YouTubers have to do that. They do already have ads on via the YouTube system. I don't think it's necessary to, you know, basically promote and have a sponsor. It's not necessary. Anyway, I just wanted to do this video to ask you, my audience, is there something you would like to see in my videos? Would you like me to review something in a certain direction? Would you like me to comment on news-worthy information and news that's come to light in the press? Because obviously I'm not biased like they are. You know, I appreciate both sides of the argument. So again, in the comments box, if you're still listening to me, that is, and you ain't got bored, let me know what you want to see in my videos. I really appreciate any sort of input you have. Please don't just watch this video and then forget about it. Please go into the comments box right now and write what you're thinking in your head. Even if it's a short sentence to say, I want to see more technology videos. I want to see more photography lens reviews. I'm interested in this lens. Would you like me to do more vlogs on photography related subjects perhaps? Do you want to see me do some political stuff, or do you want me to stay away from that? Because obviously we live in difficult times where there's a lot going off in the news. Obviously there's a lot going off with this terrible disease that's going on at the moment as well. But I just wanted to say a big thank you to those of you who do send me comments, do ask me questions. I don't always know the answer. Sometimes you may ask something about one of my videos that I did maybe 5 years ago, and to be honest with you, I can't remember, so I might not respond to you. It doesn't mean I don't want to, or I don't have any information to give to you, unlike many big time YouTubers who never reply to comments. I always try and communicate with you, and if I get many people asking the same question, I'll do a video about it. You know, hopefully that'll be helpful. So in this video, I just want to ask you to, you know, if you do like my stuff, you know, feel free to make a donation into the PayPal details that's in the description box. I appreciate that. That's the only time I'm going to ask. But apart from that, if there's something you want to see, please say something in the comments box, and I'd appreciate you telling me what your thoughts are. You know, it'd be nice to know how I can help you and what do you want to see in my videos. And I hope to see you make some comments, and I'll respond to you when I've got some time. But thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Keep safe. Keep your distance in regards to these difficult times that we're living in. Always wear a mask if you can do so, and hopefully we'll get through this difficult time together. And I hope you have a nice evening or morning. Bye bye.